What is up, guys? In the last video I showed you how you can install WordPress using Docker on your local computer. In this video I'm going to show you how to install a phpMyAdmin image to an existing WordPress Docker container so that you can easily tweak with your databases. So I'm going to go back to the same file we created last time. For those who don't know what this is, what Docker is, there's a lot of sources on the internet, but for those who want to learn how to create a WordPress Docker environment on your local computer, then you can take a look at the last video I created. And now let's go back to where we were in the last video. So we have this localhost blog setup, and we installed WordPress, and we tried to test if we can edit files in that container, which was working brilliantly fine. And now we want to attach phpMyAdmin image to it so that we can manipulate the database. So we go back to the Docker Compose and we start adding a new image, which is essentially using the same format. So we call it phpMyAdmin. And then the container name is phpMyAdmin. The image name is phpMyAdmin 4.7. And the environment. Of course, we need to set the username, password, and database again so that it knows where to connect. And then it's called PMA host, which is DB, and PMA user, and PMA password. Another thing we want to do here is set the port, because phpMyAdmin also is exposed to port 80, and since we already have our website running on port 80, we need to set a different port to access phpMyAdmin. So what I'm gonna do is set a port 12,000 from my network and attach it to port 80 of the container, and that should be pretty much it. Then we go back to our console and try to run the compose command again. That's it. Let's take a look. Localhost port 12,000. Oh, there we go. That's the database that we're running WordPress from. How do we test it? Of course we can test it. So let's try to find this welcome to WordPress and edit it from the database. Search welcome to WordPress. It should be in the posts. We try to find which one is the post. So this one's the hello world post. We edit the post and let's try to add a new paragraph. This post has been edited from phpMyAdmin. Wow. And then we save it. Where's the save button? And let's go back and take a look. Refresh. Wow, there we go. Yeah, so now we attach the phpMyAdmin container to a WordPress container. So yeah, that's it for today. And I hope you liked the video once again. And if you liked the video, you know what to do. You need to click on the like button, subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials, and share it with your friends. So I'll see you again. Until then, ciao.